Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love creamy coffee flavored desserts, today's recipe is for you. I'm showing you how to make a no-bake Italian classic tiramisu recipe at home. No baking, simple ingredients and the smoothest texture you can imagine. Before I start with the recipe, I want to say that I'm using a homemade ladyfinger that I have prepared in advance. A full video about these ladyfingers can be found in my channel and in the description of this video. There is just no way to explain how easy you can transform your tiramisu by just simply making the ladyfingers yourself. Of course, you can always use the store-bought ones. First thing for this recipe is to prepare the coffee. You need about 200 milliliters strong espresso or strong brewed coffee. For that reason, I love to use my French press, but any method will do the job. The only difference will be the intensity of the flavor of the coffee. Espresso coffee tends to be stronger and black coffee is on the weaker side. Use your preferred method and experiment different ones. Set the coffee aside so it's ready for the dipping later. Separate 4 large eggs, keeping the yolks and white in separate bowls. To the egg yolks, add 100 grams of sugar, then beat until pale, fluffy and creamy. This step is important. The lighter the yolks, the smoother the tiramisu will be. Then add 400 grams of mascarpone and mix just until combined. Optionally, to create a high protein tiramisu, as I do, just swap half or the full amount of mascarpone for skyr or high protein yogurt. Optionally, you can swap for ricotta cheese as well. Don't overmix, we want its smooth and silky texture. Transfer the mixture to a bigger bowl and put in the fridge while we work with the egg whites. In a clean, dry bowl, start whipping the egg whites. Never use plastic bowls to whip egg whites, as they always tend to have some fat residue on their surface and this can split the egg whites. Once they become fluffy, gradually add 20 grams of sugar, whipping until you reach glossy medium peak. Gently fold the egg whites into the mascarpone mixture in 2 additions, while gently folding while twisting the spatula and keeping as much air as possible. Take your time, don't rush it. To prepare the dipping ladyfinger liquid, mix the coffee with 100 milliliters of liqueur of your choice. Dark rum, coffee liqueur or brandy will all work perfectly. Now comes the fun part, assembling the tiramisu. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the coffee mixture, just 1-2 seconds per side. Do not over soak them too long or the dessert will turn soggy. Arrange the ladyfingers in a single layer in your dish. Spread half of the cream evenly on top. Repeat with another layer of dipped ladyfingers, then finish with the remaining cream. Smooth the top and generously dust with cocoa powder. Same thing can be done in cups for individual servings. Cover and refrigerate for at least 12 hours. This resting time is essential. It allows the ladyfingers to soften and the flavor to fully develop. When ready to serve, you might want to dust more cocoa powder as it will humidify in the refrigerator. This tiramisu is rich, smooth and full of classic Italian flavor. Thank you for watching. It really means a lot to me that you stick to this point in this video and took your time to watch my content. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe for more with the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao belli!